Thinking about building your own generator shed or shelter? Let the world's most renowned experts help you. Your generator needs to breathe a lot, but also stay protected. How do you do both? Introducing the DIY Generator Shed Ventilation and Exhaust Kit from the #1 generator shed maker, Zombiebox. Zombiebox Parts Kit is engineered to remove heat and fumes to protect your investment in one convenient DIY package. Here's how it works. Step 1. Install the parts bundle inside your own box or shed. You can't push hot air out if you don't let fresh air in. The kit includes 2 weatherproof louvered fresh air vents. Install these low on the walls to bring in cool air. The angled louvers keep rain out, and the integrated steel mesh keeps rodents from nesting in your box. Step 2. Powered exhaust fan. Heat rises, so you'll mount this high-velocity shutter fan near the top, opposite side of the intakes. Automatic closing shutters keep pests and debris out when not in use. Step 3. Exhaust connections. By using the original Zombiebox exhaust extension kit, you drastically reduce internal heat and ensure dangerous carbon monoxide is vented safely away. Harsh gases never enter the enclosure, so it stays clean, cool, and quiet. Step 4. The finishing touches. Use the included 3-inch rubber grommets to pass your transfer switch cables and fuel lines through the wall. It protects the cords from abrasion and creates a weatherproof seal. The result? A complete climate control ecosystem designed for the DIYer by the world's #1 generator enclosure manufacturer. Cool air in, hot air out, and fumes vented safely. Your generator runs cooler, lasts longer, and is ready when you need it most. Don't risk it on your own. Trust Zombiebox, the only trusted generator enclosure manufacturer. Get the complete DIY generator ventilation kit from Zombiebox today.